say, this is Lily Shaunolo from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. We give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. We just do 1 minute call and then you get the results. Stay tuned. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Sure, Baf. Hola, it's your grand. Sure. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. We give people 1,000 rand if their partners are loyal. So we want to give you 1,000 rand. That's why I'm here. I was following you because I want to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. Okay. Can you be on the shade if you don't mind? Yeah, so we won't take time, just a few minutes. If your time.
Me off target most right now. What if I'm in a rush? How long will this take?
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, let's go.
What about that game match? Since in the show, I'm calling the partner.
Your partner?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's even perfect that time. I mean, like that is. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, where are you going there to her?
Yeah, bye.
Oh, shout out.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't take time. So that this 1,000 rand is 70 something. I'm a McDonald's and I'm a KFC. Yeah. So
It'll be right.
my name is Lee. What's your name?
Kamogelo.
Yeah. Kamogelo, who are you dating?
I'm dating Ulsego.
Okay, how long have you guys been together?
Not if I could recall, I would say it's now 4 to a month now.
4 to a month.
That's a fresh into it, man.
What do you mean 4 to a month?
4 weeks.
Oh,
4
okay.
weeks, close to a month.
And when last did you see her?
About the sun's a little fresh, like I said, last week. I would
Last
say.
week.
Yeah.
Was it fell already or not yet? Or are you only going to get it today?
I wasn't planning on to do that, but I would say.
Mara, since you are now, okay, off. So, sang off.
So.
Okay, television.
Jaka,
You don't know. This guy.
Show because I get la well chi go mo jwetse go na ke le virgin e be I je ka taba ya hae, so you'll never know unless.
So you don't know if you talk television or not?
No, not exactly there.
Oh my God.
Conversation.
Okay, are we to orally exegete guy at least?
Exes, not exactly. Let us see.
So no arumona like we go yena or leatswa what like
Well, what's a very hleratswa, but yena she's just indoor girl. Yeah. I told Bona right now is.
So she never came for sleepover?
Not even once. Not even.
Do you
once.
ask her or when you are waiting for her to offer?
I will ask her.
Oh.
Ask her.
Or maybe I'll
Answer what ticket ajang ticket.
Go bang page na phone sa ka re mo re fake.
Okay.
O ditse ka hlo.
It's got to.
Go cost story 0. Okay.
062.
I like the type.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's another type. Like one of the type.
Yeah.
Don't go sure.
Get the phone no. Kwamra damar.
Sale fresh to your down pick. You're not being in Tanga and you're not. It's a much of information I guess we create. As time goes, if you make it for too long, I can try and definic. Let's go. So you believe to say,
Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. Your partner is right here. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you are loyal to him. He's listening right now as I'm speaking. And we're going to give him 1,000 rand if you are loyal. So we believe that you are loyal, but we just want to, confirm. So if you don't mind, can I proceed with asking questions? 3 questions, I'll be done.
I'm not going to phone later today.
Unfortunately, I mean, this is the only time we can do this, so we won't be able to call again. let me be quick. 2 questions. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Light.
How long have you guys been together?
Is it the next month?
When last did you see him?
Last week?
Okay. What is your partner's name?
Ngulesego.
Lesego. Okay. Last week, Lesego. There's another guy here. He says he's dating you.
How are you?
Sure. There's another
From Botswana, my guy.
there's another guy. I'm working. There's another guy. He says he's dating you.
Anakwazi ukuthi nanifonele later today.
Okay, khuluma naye mfethu. Awe.
Mfethu, waqava na ukubona mangi.
Hello?
Wa tseba o ska re hello mfethu nkarabo tso wa tseba na ukubona mangi.
Anikuvi nathatha aqhawuka joko solo. Bawathi nimuva apha ndisel khona.
Mamela yi, wa tseba na ukubona mangi.
Anikuva yazi?
Ai, there's no way. Na ma go khona o respond o ska nketsa apara. Isele na bansale.
Jonga.
Jo, waqava na ukubona mangi, ubole ka mogelo phela.
Ngizorijonga.
Uhleka ntoni ma so tseya ya no. Awusankutla so tse.
Uyazazi prank.
Uthi ngizorijonga.
Ah, wena uthi if it okay waqava he grand shopping to yira. Ha re qalelela. Okay, ke mang le se? Ke lwitse ke le se go right. Ke mang diamond?
O bizorijonga.
Le se go ke mang jo?
Okay, my sister.
Hey.
Hold on, my sister. Why would you tell this guy? Why are you cheating on him? Because like a few weeks later or something. Why would you tell?
Wena ufuna ntoni wena? Ngithi kutshele ngathi lento le ethi sase fresh. Yini into oyifunayo? Ushukuthi.
So when you just met this guy already so funi mali.
Ah, wena uyagula wena.
Nitolelani?
Ah, wena. Ah, wena.
Nitolela kuthandana how?
Sikhuluma manje uva. Okay, mamela kai. Mamela la ukuphi manje?
Didn't you say you're going to him? Are you still going to, you're going to her? Are you still going?
Uyazi ndeve.
Usaya kuye manje.
Uyazi. Uyaphi kanjani? Azange washo vele, akuzange kwaba isivumelwano ukuthi fanda kusoba sonke. So ujika indaba manje wena. Sokuwe plus uyijika vele ngoba sesilama manje. Ayatelela yazi.
Okay.
Ayatelela.
Hani wena ujola le tšhelete or ujola le this guy?
Ayangitelela.
Ujola le tšhelete or
Awantela. Rani mikak exceeded. Zongitshela ngomtshelo wa free. Umtshelo wa free. So yazi wena ukuthi umtshelo wa free wena. As angazi le value le we eda. Yiyo le value we eda yo le umtshelo we free. Yiyo le value. Ah, yazi. Hamba okay uzokugeza kulisegezo. Uzokugeza mfethu uzubuye la ke. Uzubuye ke.
thunuka ulesego.
Uzubuye makamgeze.
understand.
Makageze. Uyazi uyo understandayo bafa ikinto engizoyikhuluma nale ncisile. Hamba kini nje ekushwala hamba kulisego wakho mfethu.
So wena mawumupha mali uzonuka wena.
Uzomgeza nyeka nukena uzomgeza vele. Angithi mina ngiyakunqolisa into oyishoyo. Angikunika next angithi unqolile sani uyatelela wena. Uyatelela wena awumazi umuntu. Uku right ke sha.
My sister, so wena kahle kahle uthanda ulisego because ulisego ukunika imali.
Telela le.
Khoza mfethu.
Sikhuluma manje kuphi?
Okay, so okay, lalela. Why wena uvuma ukuthola nomjida lo if wena ungamtshelanga? Akuthi you're supposed to tell him at the beginning ukuthi wena ufuna imali so that azi ukuthi wena, so that he knows what is. Wow, ungamtsheli. Angithi some guys don't know ukuthi nina nifuna imali.
Hayi bo ubani ufana ongayazi ngo-2026 ukuthi intombazane ifuna imali?
Vele generation yamanje yazi wena.
Vale.
Awuyazwakala mfethu naletali yakho vele uyilezi ezithanda imali. Ayikho into
Wena kahle kahle yini oyithandile kuye?
azi lo de long yasho ukuthi
What did you like?
something engizoyisa naye phambili.
What did you like when you see her?
From appearance yakhe bengibona into different blind. Bawuhlukile kanti na uzothi uthemba umuntu kanti uthemba yazi namanye amavalga awafuneki mfethu hamba kulisiho wakho.
Okay, let me ask. Since nijola nikhe lasendelana imali?
Anyeke.
Asengamsend
Yaqala size yagcina nokugcina.
asengamsendela imali.
Yasendwa kahle kahle. Yeah, kuyasendwa.
Ikhe yasenda malini?
Wathola malini?
Wathola mali?
Malini wena?
Mina ngathola malini?
Wathola malini from me?
Ngathola malini from wena uke wangisendela imali wena?
Okay, wamsendela imali?
Angaze ngakusende.
Uke wangisendela imali wena?
Awukaze wacela imali wena.
Futhi wangisendela spiritual ngikhumbula mina manje usuka kuyo.
Awungithatha phansi.
Umsendele malini?
Awungijikela njengotshwala esiswini wena.
Umsendele malini mfethu?
Mfethu lenginosileve nginika leya 2.5 at least. Manje sikabise kuya ephikayo. Leyo bekayithola.
My sister, why are you denying?
Sekuye manje ephika kayo. Phambi ku-right.
2.5 kuphi?
Ku-right.
2.5 wena uyi 2.5.
Bukela yazi benye kungitshele direct emehlweni wami yazi bayiding leyo. Benye kungitshele yona.
GBV uzobona.
Hayi, ku-right ke ifone uyibona ngaleyo ndlela kodwa mina wouldn't consider ngaleyo yabo. Yayithola. Angidoni ubheke yona leyo GBV in fact awukwazi ukuzikhulumela kahle. Awusazi socamba namanga wena.
Wena into yaziyo ileyo ukuthi if bengekho lapho bengeke ngiyikhulumela ukukhupha imali awuyikhiphi wena imali into yaziyo leyo.
Baya kulisiho ke uzokugaya kwakho.
Vele uyangipha namanje.
Izwini.
Namanje ngikhuluma naye.
Vada.
Namanje ngiyabuye.
Nayi feel no stress ubashana. Vai shana. Away.
Mfethu.
Mege.
Ay. Also spend 2.5.
2.5.
Manje ubuthi uyakuya awusaya.
Hayibo intayijike. In fact mangithi ngiyakuya turns out ukuthi akekho nasejaradini. Kunjani unayo lelo seholo wakho.
Wena mabo umsendela 2.5 uthi yana.
It's for her ukuthi at least lazini abe fresh abe right. Abone ukuthi yazini ukhona umuntu umphethe. After all my masika yenzakayo uyakhohlwa ukuthi okay what has
Mara this girl sounds like someone who's into money than a relationship.
Exactly what
So when kahle ever since you've been with her, you haven't seen ama red flags.
Awimali. Nah, ama red flags
No, like ama red flags, any red flags.
Through attitude, yeah. Khuluma vele communication was there kodwa bengikwazi kuyehlisa. Yayithola. Ngimtshela ukuthi okay njengama uyakwazi already into the escalate. Wayithola and escalator kwakho ngiyabona retaliate kanjani because uyazi ukuthi I'm not alone. Yayithola izoba kanjani. After all uyazi ukuthi somehow the conversation ihamba kahle between us. Selokhu sele yena ajika ngidintho yani. Savana libolisiho.
I'm sorry.
Sengize ngifake nolisiho ekhaya. Ngijwayela lekelo. Ngijwayela yo. Feel proud.
Any advice to Amajita that are watching this?
I would say as in it. F love. Don't hate me. Hate me for making these lying ass ladies for making me hate you. That's what I would say.
You're an artist. Whatever.
I was. The king or layer.
Shaya with few lines ke amjola ke.
Amjola.
Yeah.
Nah, kusuke karepaka amjola. Only. Kibodi. Okay, it's pure rap.
So this is the first heartbreak.
Nah, not exactly layer.
Yeah.
Sekitwa it's interesting. Loren je wakawa ke mutitsa every time. It's not there any Karen.
No, I understand. So manje usaqhubeka usakwe or
Efethu akusayile la.
uhutshela mrao.
Hayi. Fela raba. Actually kulo panda no kren.
More panda manje, I'm confused. Mutu arwa panda or rise.
Nah, as an individual, I get it, we all have the prize that we know na batlaying again. Hence I know since now my route is no more there. Now my route is that side. So
But arwa panda like I don't know.
Kina ko ya lo ikela machanko ra ga tlolo fa bogele nyoko bravo. Yeah, cause nyoko sama o ka mo fa gele but then o ka 7 ya ga dem sure unless if you lo tshetse motho mtshepa and o ka se lo mtshepa jwa.
Sorry ne.
Wa itshwara. Kolle.
It's ngivale ne.
Let's go.
Yo. Guys, these days is about money, to be honest. Yeah, it's about money. It's so sad. You know, as a gent, if you're in a relationship and you don't give your partner money, and your partner mali, and she's not complaining about money, so there is somewhere I told her. Because it looks like a woman can't survive without money in a relationship. Tinamati that we can survive, but women can't survive. There is no person who can survive without money, guys. But women make it extreme sport. They make it extreme that it's a must for them to be in a relationship where there is money. So the question goes, what's going to happen to the guys who are unemployed? What's going to they don't deserve to be loved, or they don't deserve to be in a relationship. So that's the question I'm going to leave today for you guys to answer. Guys who are not working, they don't deserve to be in a relationship because they're not working because women want money. Don't all of us don't we deserve to be loved? So I'll leave this to you guys to answer. Whenever what was what ways and guys also guys man. Please, because you be broke even worse. Ne? I'm out. Don't go.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wait, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?